Welcome. In this video, we're going to tackle the frustrating issue of the Discord app freezing on your device. We'll go through some effective steps to get it running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor glitches. Just press and hold the power button. Then select Restart. Next, clear the cache and data. Head to your device's settings. Then go to Apps, find Discord, and tap on Storage. Here, you can clear the cache and then the data. This removes temporary files that might be causing the freeze. Third, make sure to update the Discord app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Discord, and check if there's an update available. If there is, go ahead and update the app. Next, if problems persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the updates. This can often resolve persistent issues. Also, free up some storage space. Ensure your device has enough free space available, as this can significantly impact performance. Finally, don't forget to update Android System WebView. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Android System WebView, and update it if necessary. That's it. These steps should help you fix any freezing issues with Discord. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.